Greetings everybody, my name is Tulani Daniso from South Africa. I've heard about Xtrend speed on the social network TikTok, then I was interested on it. It's great to know that at Xtrend speed we can trade from as little as $10. It is simple even for beginners. I am only 1 month experience as a trader, but I can guarantee you that at Xtrend speed is a perfect brand if you want to begin your journey as a trader. If you have no experience as a trader, they teach you and they equip you to be the master trader. I am growing and increasing in knowledge as a trader in my trading skill. Well, I'm so excited that I have won $5,000, which will help my trading skills to develop even